So today we are at the Ministry of Health and Social Protection of the Population here in Tajikistan, launching new guidelines on infection prevention and control. Now, this really is about making sure that those people who go to a health facility do not get infected with the disease while they're at that health facility. Of course, this became a big problem in the days of COVID-19, when actually we found that health centers, hospitals often became the source of infections, and we can't allow that to happen. So together with the Ministry of Health and in close collaboration with the World Health Organization, with financial support from the European Union, we've provided these guidelines that hopefully should now help to prevent hospital-based infections, to make sure that all health workers in the country are aware of how to properly sterilize equipment, to sterilize the operation rooms, all the facilities in the hospitals, so that we don't give a chance to children getting infected again in a hospital setting.